Do you want to be close to the Woodlands and Lake Conroe? We've got the perfect house for you. Some people say size doesn't matter.
But we disagree.
Do you have a bunch of kids? Do you need a lot of room for guests? This home has 5, even possibly 6 bedrooms. Oh, and did I mention the schools? Because you're in Montgomery ISD. Maybe you don't have furniture to fit a house of this size. Well, we got you on that too. For any questions or to schedule your tour on this home, give the Bridget Moore Group a call today.